Hello, I'm here today to talk about information processing. Information processing is an important component of learning and memory. If new information isn't processed, it won't lead to permanent new memories and learning will not occur. The more extensively information processed, the more will be remembered. Let's start with explaining what memory is. Memory is our ability to encode, store, and retrieve information and past experiences in the human brain. Encoding is getting the information into the memory. Storage is retaining the information over time. And retrieving is getting the information out of storage. Now let's explain how we process information. Input is the new information that enters the brain through our five senses, such as hearing, tasting, smelling, seeing, or touching something. This leads to three different parts of our brain: sensory, short-term, and long-term memory. Sensory, or known as the sensory store, is the information that lasts for 1 second. This memory acts as a filter. For example, if you would walk outside, you would hear the cars on the street, you would feel the breeze of the wind, and you would see all the different colors of the trees. You can be very overwhelmed with all this information at one time. This sensory store helps us filter the non-important information. The next frame is called working memory, other words known as the short-term memory. Short-term memory lasts about 30 seconds. It's when you read something or see something that isn't important enough to be stored for a long period of time. It helps us to temporarily perform a task. The last memory is long-term memory. Long-term memory can be broken down into two parts: episodic and semantic. Episodic is the recollection of specific events, personal situations, and experiences. For example, the first time you rode a bike. Semantic is ideas, meanings, and concepts that are not related to anything personal, such as knowing what a refrigerator is. An important type of learning is learning about our own thought or cognitive process. This reflects metacognition. So what is metacognition? Metacognition is to think about thinking or know about knowing. Being aware of the process that's going on inside your head. You can use this information and call it knowledge. Students will purposely manage their thinking to improve cognition. A teacher therefore teaches her students how to remember facts, names, and events. This can be done through songs, flashcards, or taking notes. In conclusion, information processing is important for each and every person to understand. And I hope this video helped you understand what information processing is all about.